The movie Tahan is a well-directed movie. It talks about a small boy. He is almost 9 years old, and his father is missing from Kashmir. He has been kidnapped because the terrorists squad, they felt that he has some information about the attacks and the things happening in Kashmir. And Sarika has enacted the role of his mom, and this boy has really done a beautiful job. He has a donkey called Birbal, and Birbal goes missing, and he is totally in a state of disarray, and he's very despondent. From head to toe, he's trying hard to get the donkey back, and in the process, he actually meets the terrorist gang, and he's handed over a bomb. He has a bomb in his hand, and that fellow, he was an elder boy, 4, 5 years, 6 years elder to him, and he handed it to him, the Han, and he said that you have to just go and you have to throw this bomb at the terrorist outlet. And he reaches there, and there he was about to throw. He just removed the outer layering of the bomb, and he was about to throw when the door opened and he saw his father. So it prevented him from throwing the bomb, and then he went to the lake and he threw it hard. So the bomb first hit the surface of the lake, and then it exploded. The entire water was blackened because of the gases and all. And even he found his donkey. And one of his friends, a bit elder to him, maybe 1 year or so, but taller to him, he comes along with the donkey, and he said, I've been searching you from so long, your donkey is back. And the donkey is decorated full. So he's elated, and then he gives the information to his mom that he has seen his dad. So mom also gets very she is totally in unrest because she may have presumed that he is no more. So she goes to the terrorist outlet, and she actually, even cops and all were there, she puts the pic of her hubby saying that he has been missing. And then the movie is seen to be ended. And here even Rahul Dev is there, Anupam Kher. They are all part of the group. Part of the group in the sense, this the Han's relatives, uncle and all. Even Rahul Dev has done a good job. So in the end, he gets the donkey, and the search is on. Either she will get her husband back, or they will keep him, but he kept on saying that I'm innocent, I'm not involved in any of the, so most probably he'll be given to her. So the movie is a really good one, well directed and beautiful. It's shot in Kashmir, must watch. 4 stars.